afternoon. Our topic is dual tone multiple frequency. Our group consists of me, myself, Rohan Kaila, Chinmoy Ghosh, and Liam Fernandez. Next, introduction. DTMF, which is dual tone multiple frequency, is a technology that can be used to send information through the phone lines. Now, what is DTMF signals? The DTMF signals is a superimposition of the two sine waves with different frequencies. DTMF is also used for signaling between the telephone networks and the computer networks. Most of the mobile phones use the DTMF technology. The DTMF is a popular signaling method between the telephones and switching centers. It uses the speech frequency signals. It can also be used in the robotic microcontrollers. Next, the components used for the DTMF are the DTMF keypad, its generator, the decoder, IR sensor, and microcontroller. Next, the DTMF keypad. As we can see here, there are several numbers and a group of frequencies. Though generally row frequencies and column frequencies, it is classified into two types. The row frequencies are generally low frequencies and the column frequencies are high frequencies. The frequencies for DTMF are chosen in such a way that they don't have harmonic relation with the others, so they will not produce the same tones. The column frequencies are slightly louder than the row frequencies to compensate the high frequency roll off of voice audio systems. The each button pressed in the keypad will produce a tone which differs from the other. Next slide. So this is the DTMF generator circuit. As you can see, first if we give a desired digit, then it will select if it is a row selector, then it will select the frequency accordingly and give the tone, and if it is a column selector, then it will select the frequency given and it will generate a dual tone. Next, the DTMF decoder. As we can see here, this is the circuit of the DTMF decoder. The HT9170B is the name coding given for this. It is used for digital counting techniques. It decodes the two tones to determine which key has been pressed. The tone from the phone is filtered through the operational filter. The RT or GT and EST monitor the time taken for the authenticity check of the tone. By this process, the DTMF decoder can decode 16 different keytones in a 4-bit binary code output. From here, Liam will explain.
Microcontroller. The microcontroller used in this circuit is an AVR Amiga 8-bit with RISC architecture and 8 KB of self-programmable flash memory. It can process 8 bits of data in one clock cycle. The RISC architecture allows the MCU to process an instruction per second. Next is the IR sensor. To detect obstacles, an IR sensor will be used in the robot. The IR sensor consists of a photodiode and an LED. The LED emits infrared radiation. If the surface is reflective, it will reflect this light and the reflected light will be absorbed by the photodiode. The op-amp in this circuit is set in comparative mode. Next are the applications of DTMF. This system can be used in industrial applications.
Next
This
slide.
system can next slide. This system can be used in industrial application. This system can be employed in household applications like fans, ACs to set the room temperature when we are not in the room. We can extend this circuit to control many electrical devices with some modifications using 4 into 16 decoder IC.